our Group 4 project is to create a biogas plant that can generate energy in order to blow up a tire.
Why the biogas plant was chosen as project?
The biogas plant was chosen taking into account that it was a project that involved the different science of Group 4. Also, it was a project that can have influence in community, bearing in mind that it's an experiment that can produce energy without affecting the environment. Because the staff uses to produce methane, carbon dioxide, and other gases were a result of the organic waste.
Materials: 1. Organic waste. 2. T-ball. 3. Dispensing valve. 4. Half pipe. 5. Big bottle. 6. PVC tube. 7. Saw. 8. Tire. 9. Glue.
Biogas refer to a mixture of different gases produced by the breakdown of organic matter in the lack of oxygen. It can be produced from raw materials such as agricultural, municipal, green, and food waste. Biogas is a renewable energy source and, in many classes, exerts as a carbon footprint. It also can be produced by the anaerobic digestion with anaerobic organisms which digest materials inside a closed ecosystem or fermentate of biodegradable materials. This fermentation is produced by the lack of oxygen and the darkness inside, in our case, the biogas plant. The gases produced by the biogas plant are methane, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, between others. We also identify that the biogas plant is a source of renewable energy, so this helps the environment.
The anaerobic respiration will produce methane gas, one of the sources of energy more faster than you can find. Also, a combustion reaction will be generated, producing exothermic reaction. Then, the enthalpy, defined as the quantity of energy, will be liberated, using it in different steps, such as the domestic use, the vehicular, industrial, among others.
At the end of the experiment, the biogas emitted can be converted into a flame by using the process of combustion. And this flame could not only be used for heating purposes like cooking, but also can be converted into other forms of energy. For example, mechanical energy by using a piston system, where the flame heats up the air around the piston, and as we know, temperature is proportional to pressure. So, if we heat up the air, the pressure will increase and this will move the piston in a specific direction. This movement will generate mechanical energy that by using a circuit system could work for turning up a light bulb. Even though this energy isn't very useful for powering up objects like computer or other house electrodomestics, it can be used for other activities like replacing a cooker or a heater or even lighting up a room without consuming many energy. So we can say that it could work as an alternative form of energy for doing simple activities like the ones I described before.
There weren't enough wastes, and the ones we used weren't adequate because they haven't the appropriate components. It also happened to us that the biogas plant wasn't completely sealed. Because of this, oxygen enters and the wastes aren't completely decomposed, and this makes the gas to escape. And finally, other disadvantage was that we didn't paint the biogas plant with black. This allowed light to enter, and the wastes doesn't fermentate in an appropriate way.
The construction of the biogas plant was efficient because of the group work and the dedication we gave to it. Also, the material recollection were affordable. We understand the importance of the different science and group work. And finally, we make an alternative source to generate energy helping the environment.
We can conclude that we have to prove the quantity of organic wastes were enough, taking into account the size of the plant and the tire. We also conclude that if we have sealed the plant in an accurate way, the result probably will be successful because gases such as nitrogen and oxygen will not get inside the plant, modifying the result of the biogas plant. And finally, if we had painted or covered the plant, the light would not have entered to the plant.